Hi there, my name is Vlad. In this video, I want to talk about design tokens. It's color tokens, and I want to tell you a little bit about my design token map that I use in some of my projects. I will share this file with you so you can easily open it and copy to your files and create your own design token structure. This one is for color, and next one will be for spacing, and one more will be about typography. So let's start. Usually I prefer to create two collections. The first one with primitives, second one with semantic. Yeah, probably that's all. Last one with components, but I do not recommend to create this collection because it's too much to do, but not really like strong effort for this. So I recommend to focus on these two collections, and especially on the second one, semantic, because it's like the main one. So for semantic collection, we need I create 4 groups. It's like text, icons. Some of design system create like one collection. It's called content. Yeah, and so you can manage text and icons together. But I prefer to control text separated from icons. Okay. Next one is backgrounds, and the last one is border. You can add some more, like data visualization or blankets or I don't know, illustration collection. It's not like separated collection, but additional group. But it depends on your project. Okay. Text one. In text, we create like the common groups that you need is it's commonly in almost every project. You need neutral, you need brand, you need success, warning, danger, link, and link. Yeah. So it's the minimum, I think so, because almost in any project you need this. Maybe you can accept warning because not every project needs warning color. So if we talk about text, so here we have neutral. It's our gray, black color. It's about bold, light, lighter, lightest, and on color. The text color that's inverted from bold, so you can use it on primary color, on black color, and on inverted. And here in this color you can use like raw value, but it is okay. You can start with that, but better to use some primitive collection. So we need to create primitive collection where we will add a palette of color. It's like your brand color: gray, green, yellow, red, and blue. Blue is system color, red is danger color, yellow is warning color, green is positive color, or how we call it, success, yeah. And gray is all your network colors, and brand is your brand separated. Why I recommend to use brand color in primitive collection? It's because we can easily change our brand by just edit this collection. And after we edit brand, we can adjust all other colors to our brand, and it will be easy to manage your semantic collection. Okay, talking about that, I thought that you are good in design and you can understand how this all works. So this is my first video, and this is my first like free free file that I want to share with you, that I hope will help you to manage your collection. So next one is icon. I prefer to duplicate it because it's almost every time the same. But sometimes maybe okay, I want to show you a little what it can give to you. For example, maybe we have some button, and it have like icon color and text color, and maybe, just maybe, you want to make your icon look like lighter and not as contrasted as it is, or maybe you want to make your color not as dark as it is. So you can easily collect it from selection colors, and I think it's pretty cool and can be useful in your projects. So yeah, just duplicate it, and if you need, you can adjust your color, so it will be a little bit easier, a little bit better in design. Okay, next one is background. Is the biggest one because here we have some additional states. So okay, first in background is surface. Okay, yeah, it's like your levels or floors. What I mean, first one is your page background. Second one is maybe some of your modals or cards or some blocks that separated from the background, and you want to add next level. It's not. It could be same color, but you want to separate them so you can manage it later. Next is natural colors, so it's all your natural buttons and all of these. So here we need to add your states, what you use in your projects for every color you need. Same for band. Band could be bold, could be light, could be selected, could be lighter, and all the gradients that you have in your collection. Same for success, warning, danger. Why I add here two versions of color? It's because we can have like strong success button, or we want to have like success page, so it could be lighter, bigger, yeah. So we can manage it better. And about border, it's almost same with text, but you can edit as you want. And it's data visualization if you need it. That's all. And maybe we can talk about the components a little bit. So if we no, maybe next time. Sorry, it's a bit much complicated than another. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and share this video. I will create another one about spacing and about typography. So stay tuned. See you.